taxes,
sanitation, and all those things. You see, some taxes are introduced for a period, but in Ghana, when they introduce them, it stays. It stays because fine, COVID, but now we don't talk about COVID so much. So why are we still charging COVID levy? So some just came. Fine, we need revenue. Nobody is saying we shouldn't pay taxes. We need revenue, but it shouldn't be linked on some few, companies or some few goods or something. It's only in Ghana that industries are charged more electricity than domestic. Because when you open a company, you are punished for paying for being in the industry, which is not fair. I'm not introducing a new topic, but I think some of these taxes have outlived their usefulness. They have to be.
So for you think COVID levy should go? You think sanitation levy should go?
I believe COVID levy should go. Sanitation, if we are putting it to good use, yes, but we still don't see what.
You also mentioned the ECOWAS levy plus the African Union.
African Union and ECOWAS. What are we? Where did that money go? To develop Africa or to develop ECOWAS? Travel from here to some of our neighbors, some of our francophone neighbors, and you realize there's no ECOWAS. So why are we paying ECOWAS levy?
So you said manufacturing, the industry is tough.
Seriously.
And you've laid it at the doorsteps of the taxation.
Indiscriminate taxation.
Indiscriminate taxation, according to you, and you want some of them to really go. My question next to you is, under the circumstances, how are you coping? How are members managing?
You see, Dave, some of us don't have anywhere to go at the moment. I've invested so much in my plant and equipment. How to manage, how to make sure I succeed. That's the typical Ghanaian. You have to make sure you succeed. So you try every means possible to make sure you succeed. Else, some of us would have. If today is the day I'm trying. I mean,